Hello, welcome to my course on OpenStack. The objective of my course is to help you master the OpenStack cloud by doing hands-on labs. Learning and mastering the OpenStack skill set is a journey. You will have a lifetime of access to this course through Udemy, and I will do my best to keep it up to date and current. This course will be your trusted guide in your OpenStack journey. It will make your OpenStack cloud journey much easier and less painful. Mastering OpenStack will require your time and commitment. You will soon begin to see the fruits of your labor, but you must be dedicated and work through this course step by step and be involved. You need to take the time to attend and digest all the material presented in the lectures. This will help you understand the theory. You need to ask questions using the Udemy Q&A facility if you have any doubts. You need to also take all the tests and quizzes and do the labs and assignments. In the end, you will master OpenStack. So are you ready for the challenge? I've been working full time in this field for over 6 years now, and I'm having a great time learning and teaching OpenStack. Actually, it is fun stuff. Fortunately for all of us, the great innovation of OpenStack is 100% open source. What this means is that the entire software with all its bells and whistles is available for free. Nothing ever requires a paid license. So to learn OpenStack, bring your computer and also a can-do attitude. I will teach you the rest. Sounds good? So why should you learn OpenStack? Today, companies are increasingly operating within a multi-cloud environment. Most enterprises use a combination of both the public and private cloud services to deliver infrastructure as a service to their end customers. OpenStack is the standard for building private clouds. OpenStack is truly open, that is, there is no paid enterprise software release sold by the OpenStack Foundation. So OpenStack is a cost-effective and standardized way of delivering a variety of workloads suitable for running cloud-native applications in your own private cloud. These workloads not only include virtual machines, but also Docker containers, Kubernetes clusters, Docker Swarm clusters, and also bare metal servers. OpenStack software increases the speed with which applications are developed and deployed in the multi-cloud environment. Adoption of OpenStack continues to grow steadily. The latest user survey conducted by the OpenStack Foundation cataloged 44% more deployments than a year ago. If you are working in the cloud computing field, you may have either already worked with OpenStack in some capacity or will most likely do so in the future. But one thing is certain, you will be required to learn OpenStack if you are aspiring for a career in cloud computing. So why wait? Get started with OpenStack today. What will I learn from this course? First, you will learn the theory and understand how OpenStack is architected. You will gain a solid theoretical foundation on all core OpenStack services. But to master OpenStack, you must do hands-on labs. Just theory alone will not be sufficient. Just like any other skill you hope to develop, learning OpenStack will require practice, and yes, more practice. So to accomplish this, I will teach you how to deploy a multi-node OpenStack cluster on your PC, and then together we will do hands-on labs to master OpenStack. No prior knowledge is assumed. Want to see some of the things that you will be building in this course? Here is a preview of what you will be building out in one of the labs. You will learn to build out this complete topology and also automate it with the click of a button. You will learn some Linux shell scripting in this process. You will be booting instances on multiple compute nodes. You will learn to inject an SSH key and log into instances securely without using a password. You will learn to create host aggregates and availability zones. You will learn to create virtual networks, subnets, and virtual routers. You will learn to create both provider and project networks. Then you will learn how VXLAN overlay networking works between Open vSwitches. Then you will learn about floating IPs, security groups, and rules to secure instances. You will create external gateways, provision internet connectivity to your instances, build software-defined storage for your instances, and learn about Linux namespaces. And you will also work with Open vSwitch, and you will learn about troubleshooting techniques used in production and much more as this course continues to evolve. Why should you learn OpenStack from me? I have been working with OpenStack since its early days. In 2012, I was at the ESSEC Summit in Boston. I am an open source code contributor to OpenStack. I do OpenStack for a living. I work full-time, hands-on on OpenStack and other related cloud technologies such as Docker, Kubernetes, SDN, and so on. I am a technical speaker at several OpenStack summits, as you can see. I have a master's degree in computer science from the University of Southern California, Los Angeles, USA. So I am well qualified to teach you OpenStack and guide you in your journey. Are you ready and committed to learn? Awesome job, I heard an S. So I will see you soon in my course. Thank you for your time.